Someone I was following said a few years back that selling cheap web hosting services is the most reliable long-term residual income in internet marketing. At that time, it made absolutely no sense to me. As the days went by, I remembered the statement, so I made up my mind to confirm with my own business records. What is website hosting? To build a website, you need to deal with these three issues: website hosting, domain name, and website design. At first, the website files are only visible to the website designer alone after he has built the website with software he operates on his computer. Because he has to first save the files somewhere on his computer where he alone can access it, tweak and twist it until he finds a cheap web hosting to publish. The other two components which are necessary to complete the task are then worked on before the website is made available to all on the internet. The designer must purchase a space on the web to host his project and also the domain name. Since we are more concerned with the web hosting part in this article, I'll be sharing with you how you can start providing cheap web hosting services to other businesses even if you have no technical abilities. The space you pay for on the World Wide Web, which when associated with any domain name of your choice, the files uploaded therein become visible to the public through the internet, is referred to as web hosting. It is just like your offline business where you have to hire an office space to carry out your day-to-day business. How to make money hosting others? It may seem like a misplaced advice for me to ask you to go into website hosting when in actual fact you do not know where to find customers and you also do not have any computer programming skills to do this business. In fact, cheap web hosting services is in high demand all over the world. This is what I have come to realize as I am in the business. If you take a look at your environment, you'll notice that all businesses yearn to have a website to boost advertisement. Business owners are always in need of a person to help publish their enterprise for public attention on the internet. You have to help bridge this gap because they are willing to pay for your cheap web hosting services. Ironically, providing cheap web hosting services comes with no work to be done by you. Absolutely. No work. Your only concern is to effectively promote the service, get paying clients, and send the information to us by text message or email. Ours is to set up their hosting accounts immediately and send the login details to you via email while you keep all the profit. I strongly advise that you create a cheap web hosting services website, market it properly, and begin to generate long-lasting extra income selling cheap web hosting services to those who will take action on your website. The income from cheap web hosting services is residual in nature because your clients will renew their accounts yearly. You will get paid year in, year out from clients you have gotten only once. How rich are web hosts? The easiest business I have ever seen is becoming a web host. All you have to do is visit our website at www.skimpy2hosting.com, activate a reseller account, and we will take it up from there. For only $20 per month, you can subscribe to our reseller package. This amounts to $240 per year, but you can pay every 3 months. The details of your account will be mailed to you within minutes when it would have been set up. In this business, it only requires that you have 4 customers to break even, since single cheap web hosting services cost $60 average in the market. Let me know when you come across any other business that is more profitable. I realized that the cheap web hosting services arm of my business has been a great factor in my business success the last time I checked my records. I hosted hundreds of websites within 2 years of commencing cheap web hosting services business. Try having 50 customers in a year and see what you would have profited in 2 years. Do your calculations. It's not hard to begin to add hundreds of new customers every year, because the more you are consistent in providing reliable and cheap web hosting services, the more word will spread about you. For more, visit www.duncanable.org.